Guys, I will show you a Lego The Walking Dead truck. This is the Lego The Walking Dead truck. This is a gun. See, you see that? Gun. This is a gun again. Gun 2. And gun. You can spin. This, you can spin again. And this is the guns. And this wheels. This is a door. Door. That. And thanks for watching. See you guys next week. Bye.